Ngayon, di-discuss natin ang rational function. So, objective, define rational expression, equation, and function. Tapos, isolve natin yung rational equations. So, meron tayong steps in solving rational equation. Una, find natin yung LCD. So, tapos, pag makuha na yung LCD, i-multiply natin ang each side ng equation. Sa left side at saka sa right side natin, tapos multiply natin ng LCD. Tapos i-solve ninyo, tapos i-check pagkatapos. Meron din tayong tinatawag na extraneous solution. Nangyayari ito pag yung denominator natin ay equal to 0. Naging redundant na to. Actually, it is in the symbol of infinity. Ang tawag dyan, yung undefined. So, ang tawag dyan, extraneous solution. Yung solution na yung denominator ay equal to 0. So, meron tayong mga definition. Ito yung mga definition ng rational expression, rational equation, rational function, at saka yung rational inequality. So, yung rational expression, ito yung actually magkaparehas lang sila. Pero, si rational expression is in the form of a over b, or a and b are polynomials and b is not equal to 0. So, ito naman ay rational equation is an equation that contains one or more rational expression. So, marami na to. So, pwede maging equation na talaga. Ito, pwede one term lang. Ito, pwede two or more terms. O, yung rational function naman can be written in the form of f of x equals a of x over b of x, or where a of x and b of x are polynomials. So, alam natin yung polynomials ay dapat yung kanyang exponent ay hindi negative at hindi rin fraction form. Kasi kung fraction form, magiging square root sign. At saka kung negative, ang kanyang exponent, magiging denominator. Kasi sa polynomials, wala dapat sa denominator. So, sa rational inequality, i-discuss yan mamaya. So, yung rational inequality, yung, syempre, yung the term inequality, hindi equal. So, less than or equal, greater than or equal, less than, greater than, tapos yung not equal na symbol. So, meron tayong halimbawa ng how to find the value of x. So, first step is to get the LCD. So, ang LCD ng 3x, 4, at saka nung x ay 12x. So, sa 12x ngayon, pwede ma-divide sa tatlong ito, sa tatlong denominators. Ngayon, nandito na yung step number 1, you get the LCD. Step number 2, isolve ninyo yung both side ng equation. So, ng LCD. So, 12x and 12x. So, ngayon, sa 12x divided by 3x will be 4. Tapos, sa 12x divided by 4, magiging 3x. So, si 4 ngayon, at saka si 6, i-multiply, naging 24. 3x at saka si 5, i-multiply, naging 15. Ito naman, si 12x divided by x, naging 12 na lang. So, 12 times 3, naging 36. So, dahil ang variables ay dapat nasa left side, so dapat nandito, tapos yung mga numbers nasa right side. Kasi ang basa natin from left to right. So, si 24, positive 24, nagiging negative 24 na yan sa kabila. So, 36 minus 24, naging 12 na. So, para makuha yung coefficient ng x, so i-divide it by itself. I-divide it by itself. So, 15 divided by 15 is 1. Then, 12 divided by 15 is reducible by 3. So, 12 divided by 3, 4. Then, 15 divided by 3 is 5. So, 12 over 15 is equal to 4 over 5. Ito yung kanyang checking. So, sa 4 over 5, pinalitan yung x ng 4 over 5. So, ito. So, 3 times 4, 12 over 5. So, ngayon, sa lessons ninyo noon, so, kunin nyo lang yung reciprocal ng 4 ng 12 over 5. So, baliktarin nyo lang 5 over 12. Change yung division ng multiplication. So, 6 times 5, no, 6 i-cancel ng 6 divided by 12 is naging 2. Ito naman, ang reciprocal nito, 5/4. 3 times 5, 15. Then, 4. Copy lang yung 5/4. Tapos, yung LCD nito, 4. Tapos, dahil 4 ang LCD, divide ng 4 dito sa 2, 2 ang answer. Tapos, yung 2, multiply sa 5, naging 10. So, 10 plus 5, 15, 4/4. So, ang sagot, 15/4 is 15/4. That is check. So, ngayon, meron pa tayong example of solving rational equations. So, ang sample natin, isolve natin. Again, find the LCD. Ang LCD natin ay ng 3 and 2 is 6. So, ang 6, multiply sa both sides. So, ito na. So, 6 divided by 3 is 2. At saka sa kabila naman, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Ngayon, si 2, i-multiply through distributive property. So, 2 times x, 2x. 2 times 2, 4. Ito naman, 3 times 2x, 6x. 3 times negative 4, negative 12. Ngayon, yung mga variables ay dapat ilagay natin dito. Yung mga coefficient, yung mga numbers, ilagay natin dito. So, si 6x transpose sa kabila magiging negative 6x. Si 4 naman i-transpose sa kabila magiging negative 4. Ngayon, 2x minus 6x is negative 4x. At dito naman, 12x, negative 12x minus 4, negative 12 minus 4 is negative 16. So, dahil negative 4x dito kanina at negative 16, so, dapat kasi ang ating variable wala dapat na, hindi dapat negative. So, nag-divide tayo ng negative sa kabila at negative din dito. So, naging positive 4x at naging positive 16. Ngayon, si 4 din-divide by itself. Then, mag-divide din ng 4 sa kabila. So, 16 divided by 4 is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So, ito yung sagot 4. So, again, first step, get the LCD. LCD nito is x lang. So, sa x, so, multiply na lang agad dito. So, x times x, x squared. So, ito, si x divided by x is 1. Tapos, dito rin, negative 5 times x, negative 5x. So, sinulat lang. Tapos, negative 6. Tapos, negative 5x transpose sa kabila, naging positive 5x. Ito, naging factor nito ay x plus 6 and x minus 1. So, equate this into 0. So, magiging x equals negative 6 and x equals positive 1. So, ang sagot, negative 6 and positive 1. Pwede nyo itong i-check sa pamamagitan ng pagpapalit nyo ng negative 6 or 1 dito sa mga x's. So, yun lang what you learned. So, you learned the definition of rational expression, equation, and function. Then, solve rational equations. So, what profit a man if he rules the world but loses his own soul? Thank you for listening.